Hey everyone, come with me as I just completed Echo Lake in Squamish, British Columbia. This hike is about 9 kilometers in total with an elevation gain of 900 meters. It took us around 3 hours to get up and about 2.5 hours down. You can rent the water taxi at Squamish Water Sports. It is about $50 per person. It's about a 25-minute boat ride and it takes you right to the trailhead. I love this hike as there was so many spots to jump in and we followed along the waterfalls and it was just so gorgeous to view all of the waterfalls, stop and have a break. And this was definitely the highlight of the trip, is this little keyhole where we all jumped off. I won't even lie, this hike was definitely a grind. We took the trail going up on the left-hand side that follows the waterfall, and on the way down we took the route that's more in the forest that's recommended for our descent. But the way up was just so magical as you're crossing over so many rivers and you view so many different waterfalls, and it just was amazing to catch a break and look at the view and just be inspired until we got to the top. I'm going to bed in my little campsite. There is actually quite a few campsites, but not a lot of them are flat. The mosquitoes weren't terrible, which were nice. We went in July. This is kind of the closest campsite I could get towards the lake, and we woke up for 5:15 to watch the sunrise, and it was just beautiful, so amazing. Something just hits differently having oatmeal on top of a mountain and sipping that coffee right on a mountain. It is just absolutely glorious, and what a perfect morning this was. arrived back at the trailhead for 9 a.m. It was a great hike down, got some cool views, different views on the way down, and our boat was there at 9 a.m. We scheduled it for 10, but we were able to get it earlier. They will give you a number to text as well. I hope this inspired you to check it out. It was one of my favorites this summer so far. I'm so glad I crossed this off my list. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.